RDvision software needs to be worked with carbon dioxide version series controller,
such as RDV6442G, RDV6445G, RDV6344G, and so on. This time, we will take RDV6445G as an example to introduce how to install its software and hardware. Let's start from the installation of hardware. The hardware installation is mainly about mainboard and camera. For the mainboard, we can recognize the interface through the identification on it. About the detailed interface information and system wiring, you can refer to the image on the screen. I won't go into details here. We complete the wiring according to the equipment. After finishing wiring, we turn on the laser machine power supply and the screen was on. We also need to debug the parameters of the direction polarity and limit polarity. You can refer to VA software tutorial, hardware installation and debugging, and vendor settings for details. Next, install the camera after the board card was installed. Take the SV300 for example. We can fix the camera to the mechanical shaft near the laser head. If the vision is narrow, we can raise the camera installation height. Next, using the green camera cable to connect it to the computer. Using the Vision Live adapter to connect the camera to the live driver. And then using the brightness adjuster cable to connect to the live driver. Turn on the power supply after the wiring is completed to see if it is lit on. After the hardware installation, we also need to install the software. RDvision can be downloaded from Radar's official website. After downloading, we will get a zip pack. Open the installer and click Install. The installation main interface appears after the decompression and replication are completed. For language, we choose English. For camera type, you need to choose according to your own camera here. And then we need to install the camera and mainboard USB driver. Click Install Camera. Open its interface. Here, driver DVP2, X64, and X86 are the three drivers for X3 cameras respectively. We choose to install all. Other types of cameras install the corresponding driver according to the pop-up prompt. Before we install mainboard USB driver, we need to connect the USB cable first. Once the USB is connected, click OK. Now the camera and the mainboard USB driver are installed. Next, we need to install the software. Manually locate install path is optional. Click Install Software and then select the folder. Install finish. Now the hardware and software are both installed. Open the software to implement the communication with the machine. If it is a USB connection, we can just open the software. If it displays image, that indicates a successful connection. If it is a network cable connection, you need to input the corresponding IP address. You can refer to our previous video, RDvision Works Tutorial Episode 2, Software Installation and Communication Connection for details. It is connected and the camera displays image. Now we can use software for processing and control.